cursive V. Looking at the uppercase cursive V, it looks a lot like the U that we did in a previous video. The only differences are it's a little bit more narrow and there's a tail at the top, which tells us that we will pick up our pencil to write the rest of the word. So it's a little loop, big line down bump, big line up, and tail. Little loop, big line down bump, big line up, and tail. Lowercase v, it starts and ends with a tail. Now you can see on the type style here that this is a pretty big loop. You can do the big loop if you'd like, or it's a little bit larger loop. Sometimes I go a little bit smaller, so let me show you what I mean. Tail, little line down bump, little line up, loop, tail. Tail, little line down bump, little line up, loop, tail. So if you want to do the bigger loop, you are welcome to do that. Sometimes when I add that bigger loop, I feel like it looks like a little extra E. So sometimes I'll just make mine a little bit smaller. That's up to you. You will find the more you write in cursive, the more you will find your style and what works for you. Upper and lowercase v.